In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fade to white in Premiere Pro. So let's say, for example, we're gonna make this fade to white. So all you have to do is click on your project, right click over here, and click on new item, and then click on this one. And now click OK, then drag it around lower left to make it white, then click OK again, and then click OK. Now drag this color to your timeline, around probably around here. Next thing you want to do is click on color matte and make this opacity white, and then around the early, and then if you go at the very beginning, it should only be white, or it should only be 0. So it will now look like this. And that's about it. Thank you for watching this video.